Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Afreen and in today's video I will be sharing with you some of the best resources where you can learn any new skill online. Now, learning a new skill is what most of the people are trying to do nowadays because they are either stuck at home, have nothing to do, or they just want to enhance their personal and professional life with learning a new skill or finding a profitable side hustle. So I would recommend watching this video as well if you are unsure of what skills you want to learn, because in this video I am actually sharing the top 5 skills or side hustles that you can start this year. But if you already know what skills you want to learn, then continue watching, because in this video I will be sharing with you the 4 resources where you can learn any new skill online. The first resource I have for you is YouTube. Now, I know that YouTube can be a source of information overload for you guys because there are so many different tutorials and you cannot find the step-by-step instruction. But maybe because you are really searching YouTube wrong. Let me show you the correct way of how you can use YouTube in order to learn any new skill from scratch. So for example, you want to learn how to play a guitar. So let's search for guitar tutorials. You'll simply go to filter and then select channel. And these are all the channels that are particularly talking about guitar tutorials or guitar lessons. And this is so evident because the channel name is guitar lessons. I'm gonna still open a couple more. So I have 3 channels open. So this is the first channel, guitar lessons. We'll just simply go to playlists. So playlists are basically folders for videos. So it's really easier to identify what is the video category. So for example, if you are a beginner who wants to learn how to play a guitar, there are beginner lessons as well, like beginner guitar lessons, 15 videos, beginner lead guitar lessons, 8 videos, and so on and so forth. We have guitar maintenance and we have beginner rhythm guitar lessons and so on. So it all depends on what you want to learn. And how do you utilize this search filter. If you want, you can always check more channels as well as per your style and as per your liking. So let's select another skill that you want to learn. So let's select baking. We'll go to channels. And then these are all the baking tutorials that I can expect from these channels. So this is a channel with over 1 million subscribers. And these are again some of the amazing recipes: pie recipes, Easter recipes, breakfast recipes, 56 videos, 614 videos. There are a bunch of videos and I really like how this channel is organized. So if you want to learn baking or if you are really new to baking, I'm sure that you can definitely take advantage of this channel. The best part about YouTube is that the creators who are teaching you a particular skill, they are not just teaching you the tools of how it works and the softwares and everything, but they're also showing you how to create something amazing out of it. And you can always try to replicate that and take a step further in learning that skill. For example, if you are watching, let's say, graphic design tutorials, you are not just learning Photoshop, but you're also learning how to create flyers and posters and social media posts, etc., depending on what sort of tutorials you are watching. And this applies for all the skills. So for example, even if you are learning how to play a guitar, you are not just learning the chords, but you are also learning how to use those chords in order to create some amazing music and maybe in order to replicate some of the existing music as well. The best part about YouTube is that if you are stuck at one concept and if you are not really sure of that concept, you can always search that thing again back in YouTube and you can find more and more tutorials out there enhancing your knowledge about that concept. The second resource that I have for you is Udemy. So Udemy has both free and paid courses, but you can always select and filter free courses and completely ignore the paid courses. So let me show you that as well. So if you want to take advantage of Udemy in order to learn any new skill online, then this is how you're going to do it. So for example, you want to learn photography, let's say. So I'm just going to simply write photography. And these are all the photography courses that you can obviously look for. But at the end of the day, these are paid. So what you're going to do is you will simply go to filter and you will select free. So there are over 2,000 paid courses and there are 155 free courses. So if you can pay, of course, you can select from paid courses as well. But if you want free courses, you can just simply select free. And done. And these are all the free photography courses that you can find on Udemy, and I'm sure that you can definitely take advantage of these free courses. The third resource that I recommend is Skillshare. Now, Skillshare is getting more and more popular these days, and I recommend Skillshare more than any other course platform out there. Even it's better than Udemy as well, and it's totally my opinion. You can obviously disagree, because I feel that the quality of teachers and the quality of instructors is far better than all the other course platforms available on the internet now. So if you want to learn any new skill step by step with clear instructions and with community support, then I would definitely recommend learning a new skill on Skillshare. Skillshare has been there for a while, but I recently created an account on Skillshare and I absolutely love it. And by the way, I haven't paid a single penny to Skillshare. I am still on my free trial for the first 2 months, so I am learning a couple of tutorials, so I'm gonna see how it goes. But so far I have been loving it. The quality of the teachers and the videos are truly amazing, and I absolutely would recommend you guys to try that as well. You can obviously check these categories as well, or you can just simply type what you need to learn and it will give you a couple more options. So yeah, do check this website if you haven't already. The link is in the description. Now, since Skillshare is so amazing, it's obviously a paid tool, but you can start on the platform for absolutely free and enjoy a free trial of up to 2 months. And I believe that 2 months is more than enough to learn any new skill from scratch, because it always depends on practice. So you can take advantage of the 2-month free trial, and then maybe you can practice over and over again later, maybe using YouTube as well. So in Udemy, you have to pay for each course, while in Skillshare, it's like a monthly subscription where you have to pay a certain amount every single month, and you will get access to unlimited number of courses. It obviously depends on you as a person, what platform you prefer, but I would definitely recommend that you check out both the platforms, see the pricing if you can obviously pay, and choose whatever suits best for you. Another platform similar to Skillshare is Lynda.com. Now, I know that most of you might have heard about Lynda.com because it's been there for years. Even when I was learning graphic designing back in 2014, I still knew that Lynda.com was something. So it's basically an amazing platform, and it's similar to Skillshare. Obviously, it's a paid tool as well, but you can always start with a free 1-month trial, and you can see if you like it. You can always pay to the platform to learn more and more skills. So I really like how Lynda.com is structured with respect to the skills and software. Let me show you that as well. Okay guys, so this is Lynda.com, and I really like how this website is structured. So this is the entire library with all the categories that you can choose from, and they are basically divided into topics, software, and learning paths. So for example, if you want to learn design, so these are all the topics that come under design. These are all the softwares that you can learn separately, and these are the learning paths that you can consider as well. So I really like how this entire website is structured. So let's talk about photography. Again, these are all the topics, the softwares, the learning paths, the marketing category. These are all the topics, email marketing, social media marketing, SEO. These are all the softwares and learning paths, and so on. So you can obviously discover all of these topics into more detail and obviously start your free month trial. So if you can afford to pay $10 or $20 per month, then you must do that, because it will not only force you to keep yourself accountable towards that goal, but you'll also get a step-by-step instruction with the community support, and if you have any questions, the teachers will be there to answer your queries as well. So make sure that if you can pay, then you should. And if you think that you cannot afford that kind of money, it's perfectly fine as well. You can obviously take advantage of the free trials and again go back to YouTube in order to learn more and more skills. But I highly recommend that you should invest in yourself. And investment is not in terms of just money. It's in terms of time, your effort, and of course your energy as well. So whatever skill you are learning, make sure that you are definitely giving your 100%. That's it, you guys. These were the top 4 resources that I just shared with you, where you can learn any new skill online, from cooking to guitar lessons to Photoshop to video editing and so on and so forth. So if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. And if you are interested in social media marketing or digital marketing, then hit the notification bell, because in the next video I will be sharing with you some of the best resources to learn digital marketing and social media marketing for absolutely free. So make sure that you are turning the notification bell to get notified for that video. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.